I am so happy right now. I'm on cloud 9. Are you on cloud 9? Cloud 9 means that you're very happy. If you're on cloud 9, it's like you're in heaven. Okay, now we have another word for being very happy, and that word is euphoria. Euphoria. Okay, euphoria means extreme happiness. If you're in a state of euphoria, it just means you're super happy. Okay, take a look at this guy. This guy says, when I got a promotion at work, I was on cloud 9. He was so happy. This woman says, when I got married, I was on cloud 9. Logan was euphoric when he got a new bike for his birthday. Brittany experiences euphoria every time she eats ice cream. How about you? Do you experience euphoria when you eat ice cream? Okay, so I want to know what would need to happen for you to be on cloud 9. For me, if I hit 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel, then I would be on cloud 9. I would be so euphoric if I hit 1 million subscribers. Okay, so let me know your answer down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.